wait, no.
Let me see.
I don't think it is.
That looks like a. That is not a Corvette key. No way.
I don't think this is a. But you have prongs in the right spot. Let me go grab the right key.
Yeah. Yep. Someone keyed it.
Actually. Oh. Oh, hardcore, man.
No?
Is it going? Should be working.
Oh my God. Jiminy Christmas. Wow, good shit.
That's how you steal a Corvette, boys.
Yep. Clip that. Nice, we're in. Good shit.
Oh, where the hell did you find this? They don't say nothing on it.
Is that the Corvette key?
The Corvette symbol's on it, buddy.
Alright, where's the fucking battery?
Oh, there we go, yeah.
Battery's right here.
Okay.
What? But we're in. Is this the LS2 or LS1?
Really? No.
I think it's
I believe
the,
it's like a LS3.
really? I thought the 07s had the LS3.
That's the LS2.
Yeah, it looks kind of looks like the Pontiac.
Hey, give me.
Starting it up.
You guys don't need me.
No, we're trying to find the mileage. All I need, I can